On the box, all you're gonna get is the actual 2 pieces. And look how beautiful this looks. Let me give you a closer look in it. Look really nice. So the way I remove this grip without damaging, because we're gonna be changing this little part right here. So I'm gonna be using this. It's pretty sharp, so I can get the little tip of it and, you know, go all the way inside, so I can put a little bit of WD-40 into the inside, so I can be able to take it out. Sometimes you just want to get rid of that thing, and you can just cut it off and, you know, save the work. But if you're gonna be using the same one, you may want to go all the way in as far as you can. When you're there, you're gonna take your WD-40 and you want to put that all the way to the inside. You just move it around so the oil goes all over the thing, and as soon as you start feeling movement, you can start filling it up. And that's it. That's how easy you remove one of these without damaging anything. So then you just want to come here and clean it up, because we got some residues of the glue from the grip. Clean it out and scrape all the glue. You want to grab your grip and you want to twist that little cap at the same time you are kind of pulling. See? And then you just pull it out just like that. Then you want to grab your rack and remove all the glue. These grips are actually really nice. They're made by Domino. They're really high quality, so I'm not going to be replacing this just yet. Then you can just clean the oil. Clean it out best you can. Maybe you can just clean it up with a little soapy water into the inside. What you want to do is you want to squeeze down, you know, start from one end like that, and then with your finger go gradually into the inside, and then you just push it inside, give it a couple twists, and that's it. Wow, it looks like a brand new grip. Looks beautiful. Okay, so let's proceed to mount it into the scooter. You should put a little bit of new glue on it, but I'm not gonna be using them because I don't like to it. You know, I'm just gonna be removing this pretty shortly. And to install it, you know, clean it up very well. It's gonna be kind of hard to get it, so we're gonna be using tiny bit of oil. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of W40. Usually when you install grips, what you do is you put the new glue on it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil again, and then the same thing with the throttle. When I remove your mirror, in the throttle you will have like 2 layers of it. You have the plastic from the throttle and the actual rubber piece, so you want to make sure you go through the rubber piece. Remember to clean everything pretty nicely. Then to remove this part, you want to bend that little rubber piece into the top and just remove it just like that. And just give it a nice clean with soapy water. After you have cleaned the whole thing, you want to grab your piece and you want to, you know, bend the thing like this, put it into here first, and then with your finger push it in like that, and, you know, twist it around so it gets in place. And that's it. And just keep pushing and twisting until you go all the way into the inside. Looks really nice. And that's it. That's how you basically install these beautiful caps and give a really nice look to your bike. Make sure you check the screenshot down below for all the links. We got different colors. We got silver, titanium, black, yellow, blue. So just go and check it out.